How to save one-time photo in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can save a one-time picture on Telegram. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you have opened the app, simply go to the one-time photo message that you want to save. Now, you can simply tap on the photos that have been sent to you and you can simply take a screenshot of that. And if the Telegram doesn't allow you to take a screenshot, then you can simply open up the another phone and from there simply click a photo through a camera, and that's it. That's how you can save one-time photo in Telegram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.